In a recent video uploaded, I share with you how a convict can re-enter the US, and one such way is to apply for a waiver of ineligibility. You might be saying, you committed the same offense as Buju Banton, and your waiver got denied. Well, unfortunately, there is a thing called public figure versus private individuals. Let's look at the difference. Public figure versus private individual. Buju Banton is a public figure with a significant following and influence. His career as an artist may contribute positively to cultural or economic aspects in the US. A normal person may not have the same level of influence or resources to demonstrate their potential contribution to the US. Legal representation. Buju Banton likely had access to skilled immigration attorneys who could navigate the complex legal system and present a strong case on his behalf. A normal person might face challenges in affording experienced legal counsel, which can impact the strength of their application. Economic impact. Buju Banton can argue that his tours, performances, and business ventures could generate significant income and employment in the US. A normal person would need to provide evidence of job offers, business plans, or other economic benefits to the US, which might be more difficult to prove. Buju Banton may have a network of supporters and industry connections advocating for his return. A normal person might only have family members in the US to vouch for them. Rehabilitation and character. Both Buju Banton and a normal person must provide evidence of rehabilitation and good character. This includes showing remorse, making positive life changes, and contributing to society. The type of conviction and circumstances surrounding it are critically evaluated. Both Buju Banton and a normal person must demonstrate that they are not a threat to public safety. In essence, while the process and criteria for obtaining a waiver are the same for everyone, the individual circumstances, resources, and ability to present a compelling case can vary greatly between a celebrity and an average person. It's important to note that each application is unique and evaluated on its own merits by the U.S. immigration authorities.